The secret of Swami Vivekananda's memory. Swami Vivekananda was one of the greatest thinkers and philosophers of ancient India. A devout follower and chief disciple of the 19th century mystic monk Sri Ramakrishna, Swamiji gave up his affluent life and bright future in the material world to service humanity. Swamiji's memory power. Of the many qualities in Swamiji, one of his greatest virtues was sharp memory power. Some would argue that he was blessed with a photographic memory. Practicing Brahmacharya. Many experts associate the power of his memory to practicing Brahmacharya, that is, observing celibacy for life. Scholars believe that the loss of semen through a sexual act or through an act of self-gratification reduces memory and willpower. Affecting the body structure. Gradually it reduces the cogitative and sensory powers in the human body, affecting the structure of the body, even the marrow of the bones. Mindful learning. For example, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati was a Naistika Brahmachari. He learned the entire English dictionary, memorized it by reading it once. Exercising his memory power. It is said that Swami Vivekananda memorized several volumes of the encyclopedia in one reading, much to the surprise of his disciples. Memorizing encyclopedias. A conversation with Swamiji recorded by his disciple Sharat Chandra Chakravarti in 1898 is as follows. Throughout his life, Swamiji practiced Brahmacharya. Therefore, he developed tremendous mental prowess and therefore he could memorize volumes of text in one reading. Reading challenge. At the age of 35, Swamiji was residing at the Belur Math Monastery in Howrah, Kolkata. A new mathematics encyclopedia was brought for the math, and on seeing the size of the volumes, a disciple exclaimed that it was impossible for one to read the entire contents of the encyclopedia in a lifetime. Swamiji and his disciples. The disciple was unaware that Swamiji had read 10 volumes already and had started the 11th one. On hearing the disciple, Swamiji challenged him to ask him anything from the volumes and he would answer them. Bewildered, the disciple questioned him, asking him if he had read them all, to which Swamiji replied he had, and therefore the disciple could ask him anything. Swamiji's memory power. Swamiji, it is said, reproduced every little detail written in book, even the places where the language was very difficult. Swamiji on memory power. Swamiji then explained, "Do you see, simply by the observance of strict Brahmacharya, vow of celibacy in thought, word and deed, all learning can be mastered in a very short time. One has an unfailing memory of what one hears or knows but once. It is owing to this want of continence that everything is on the brink of ruin in our country." If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.